Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your headphones SONY XM6. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search at the bottom. Then click at the search line at the top and write Sony. Now search, and you should install this application what called Sony Sound Connect. Now open it. Right here you can select your region and then click I read. Start, agree, OK, hello. Next. And we did it! In the next video we'll show you how to add your device to the application, so if you don't know how, you can watch that video. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!